Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Isabel and today I'm going to be showing you how to change an invoice template. Now, to get to that invoice template, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on your settings, click on contract template, and once you get here, there's different options. You can change the order, quote, invoice, labeled in agreement, 2D drawing, or your template. So to get to your invoice templates, what you're going to have to do is you're going to click on templates, and you'll see this page here, and it gives you quite a few different options. Now for the invoice template, these are your two you should have some options here at top, and you can click on either one, and then you would just hit save invoice template. If you need to change the template of a quote, you would just scroll down and it gives you many different options to choose from, and you would just hit the check mark here. Now, once you do make any type of changes, you do have to click the save button here, or it's not going to save any of your progress. And that is pretty simple for the invoice templates to make changes to. If you have any further questions or you're still confused on those templates, please just give us a call on the main line. It's 336-515-7900. Thank you for tuning in to Sensei University, and we'll see you on the next video.